In a significant shift, the US dollar has reached its highest point in a month against the euro, following a series of trade agreements between the United States and its major partners. This surge comes as markets eagerly anticipate interest decisions from the Federal Reserve. The recent trade deal between the US and the European Union, involving a 15% tariff on most EU goods, and a $600 billion investment into the US, has contributed to this upward trend. This agreement surpasses last week's $550 billion deal with Japan, which also included a reciprocal 15% tariff. Meanwhile, top US and Chinese economic officials met in Stockholm on Monday in an effort to resolve long-standing trade disputes. The euro fell 0.44% against the dollar, reaching its lowest level since June 23. This decline marks the single currency's steepest one-day drop since mid-May, hinting at a potential first monthly loss against the dollar this year. Analysts suggest that this rise in the dollar is a combination of short covering and relief from the tariff agreements, though it remains to be seen if this is a trend change or an overdue technical correction. The Fed is expected to leave interest rates unchanged at the end of its monetary policy meeting on Wednesday. U.S. Treasuries slipped on the session, with the yield on benchmark U.S. 10-year notes falling 6.2 basis points to 4.358%. Markets also anticipate that the Bank of Japan will hold off raising interest rates after the Japanese trade agreement with the U.S. last week. The dollar has shown a minimal decrease against the Japanese yen and a strengthening against the Swiss franc.